Here are the latest price moves in crypto today. Starting with the general crypto market, we can see Bitcoin is down 0.11%, Ethereum down 0.34%, BNB is down 1.91%, XRP down 2.3%. Most of the market is looking red. There are some that are even deeper red, such as Litecoin, which is down 6.51%. We also have Uniswap, which is down 6.47%. Some of the larger movers that are moving in the green zone, we have Flex, which is up 19.81%, as well as we have, let's go ahead and try and zoom in a little bit better on there, XDC up 16.78%, and this CAS, which is up 15.09%. When we move over to the trading charts, we take a look here, we can see that Bitcoin currently has a bit of a drop on the overall day price. It is below the 50 moving average, which is not an ideal situation. We are still below that key level of resistance at $30,000 as well. So ideally, we want to be able to get above that, hold our ground, and continue on that upwards trajectory. The last thing that we want to see is to see the 50 moving average cross over with the 200 moving average, signifying a death cross. And the unfortunate reality of the situation is that dating back to around February 6th of this year, we have had that green line crossover signifying a golden cross. So this being a booming time period where the price is likely to be going up. And we can see that that did indeed happen. There was a point where Bitcoin had dropped, but it bounced off the 200 moving average, climbed quite a bit, going from about $20,000 up to a high of around $31,000 before seeing some further pullback, another climb back up to around $31,870, and now we're seeing some of that further decline once again. So if this green line crosses over the yellow line, we could end up seeing a further crash of Bitcoin once again. Crypto does move in cycles, and there is plenty of room for this to still go up. Don't get me wrong. Hopefully we're going to be seeing some rallies taking place soon. Right now, things are on edge. Then we move over to BNB. BNB continues to move sideways in this consolidated channel. Had a nice little run up going yesterday, but then significant pullback here on the new day. The 50 moving average essentially flatlining out, and that little drop down on the day, trying to keep it right around that same level. So it almost seems like people psychologically are trying to keep this suppressed within that channel and within that 50 moving average. But if this starts to make a rally up, we have an opportunity to cross over a key level of resistance here. If this continues on its trajectory, it looks like right around September 26th, we would have that crossover event, and it would be a key deciding factor of, okay, you got to make a move, more than likely. So not guaranteed, but more than likely. Okay, and then we move on to Ethereum, and Ethereum is still following on this top trend line. And with the decline here on the day, it does hold it below the 50 moving average, which is not great. We can see that the 50 and 200 are getting closer and closer together, which is also not great. Things could be rocky moving forward. I don't want to have to say these kinds of things, and I hope that it doesn't happen. It's just the reality of what we see from a technical analysis standpoint. So things need to move here pretty soon. Otherwise, we're getting to a point where it's more than likely going to end up causing it to go down. So then we move over to SafeMoon, and SafeMoon is down 0.1%, $32,000 on the buy side, $13,000 on the sell side. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. SafeMoon on Polygon is down 1.6%, $752 in buy volume, $187 in sell volume. SafeMoon with Ethereum has one buy. It was $85, not much going on there. BBTF, okay, so as I had been saying, it's natural to have some pullback. There's an opportunity where we could see it continuing to go up on green days, but be realistic, there's going to be some pullback at some point, people taking profits. And lo and behold, we're seeing that today. So this is natural. It's down 10.44%. You got $5,600 in buy volume, but $15,000 in sell volume. 39 total buys, 77 total sells. So look at how many days this is in a row. I got to count this out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2 weeks straight. Green days. Every day. Some point has some pullback. Now, are we going to see further pullback? Maybe. But I think this is healthy and that there is an opportunity. We're going to see this continuing to climb. It's looking quite well now because this is also tied over with BNB. Let's see how things continue to play out with BNB. Historically, what we've been seeing, again, BNB is moving sideways. So if BBTF wants to keep climbing and BNB is just moving sideways, that's okay too. Ideally, BNB would go up. Pepe over on the SafeMoon SWAP. No transaction in the last 24 hours. Last candle was red. So there you go. There are some price updates for you guys. Please let me know in the comments down below if you would like me to focus on any specific cryptocurrencies and giving more news updates. I mean, ones that realistically, they probably have updates going on right now. I'm considering doing more focused videos on XRP, maybe Shiba Inu or Doge. We haven't really been seeing any news for SafeMoon, but like when we do see news, I report on that stuff anyways. But let me know what you guys think about that down in the comments below. Is there a specific crypto community you'd like to see more content on? Please let me know. Okay, thank you guys. And also, double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafeMoon.com, Victor Vegas, SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. Thank you to my YouTube members for your support as well. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.